Good morning, everybody. Today is day 9 of our Down Under vacation holiday. And today we are going to Kuranda. Sorry, I'm wearing this hat because it's supposed to be really sunny today. I know I probably look goofy wearing it, but there's no room in our suitcase, and we have to give our hotel our suitcases to hold our luggage because we have a flight later tonight. So we're gonna spend the first half of the day going to this place called Kuranda, which is this like ancient rainforest place. Kind of touristy, but it'll be fun. And we do have a surprise for Mia later today. Do you know what the surprise is? Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
So we have 2 stops along the way where you have the chance to get out, stretch your legs, and of course go out and check out these rainforests up close and personal. Be pulling up off in front in just a moment.
So it looks like this was inspiration for the movie Avatar. Alright, y'all. So Mia found a huge spider, and now she's kind of freaked out for the rest of the
The
trip.
bathrooms are like outdoor. There's probably gonna be like a spider under the toilet or something.
We're doing well. It's starting to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain, just passes.
So it's pouring.
Yeah. Let's get on that gondola. Alright, we're in the next cable car. Raining in the rainforest.
I'm ready to be away from the spiders.
Lady told us she found a huge dead spider this morning.
No, she said that her coworker found one, a dead spider somewhere about this big, and she put it behind her head. So when the lady turned around, she said it scared her, and she screamed really loud.
About to go see the waterfall. This is super nice. They have free umbrellas to use. Obviously, you just have to give them back because we weren't expecting rain today, actually. But I guess
We're in the rainforest.
you're in a rainforest.
So,
It's gonna rain.
common sense.
Oh my gosh! I can see it already. We're off to Kuranda. I thought it was Kuranda. It's Kuranda.
Well, the guy on the bus was saying Kuranda.
No, he said Kuranda too.
What are we seeing next?
The koala and the
Wait,
little
that's
city.
next?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah.
I'm excited. I want to hold him.
Jasper in December came and pretty much wiped out part of the track, and they were like, oh well, it might be ready by the time y'all get there. And then they found even more damage, and they were like, yeah, it's not gonna be ready. So we took the gondola up, and we gotta take the gondola down instead of the original plans of taking the train up and the gondola down. But you know, it's nobody's fault, it's just nature, and you know, you just adapt. And we're lucky to even be here. It could have been worse. So we bought ponchos. They're only $2 American each. I think after tax, like the $5 total. I don't know, because we were like, oh, well, how much is an umbrella? And she's like, oh, that's $40. And then we were like, how much are the ponchos? And it's like, oh, it's $4 Australian each. And we're like, yeah, that's good. So it is pouring, but you know, I guess that's what makes the rainforest magical when it's raining. Mia's like, no. But we're gonna enjoy the most of it. There's the koala.
Thank you so much.
Rejected. Than Mia. Alright, so we're in the rainforest and we're doing fish and chip part 2. I don't know what kind of fish Mia got, but I got a barramundi. Oh, you got mackerel. Mia's looking at her koala photos they gave us. Got them for the scrapbooks. Yeah. Oh man. I look ugly.
No, you don't. And then there's me.
Aw. See, yours came out so well. We have a World War II plane crash here. Oh my gosh. This is like right out of Madagascar. Remember how they had like the plane crash? Yeah? No? got some local smoothies, some mango and banana ones. Mia, yay or nay?
Banana, I love it.
Love it.
I wish it was a
Jeez.
little bit more like icy. It's kind of watery.
Yeah.
It's so good.
It's too hot.
Like open your
Fixing the train down there. Alright, so me and I got dropped off at the night markets, and to really put emphasis on the word night in night markets, because it is all closed in here. I think it opens up at like 5, so don't try to come to the night markets during the morning. Mia said this is where she bought her Crocs yesterday. So we got a little bit of walk, but we're gonna go get our bags and head over to the airport. Goodbye, night market. Like when it's raining out here. Alright, making our way into Sydney. You don't miss the weather here, Mia?
No.
It's too hot and humid out here, huh?
Rainy.
Yeah, that's February Australia to you. They always
feels
say
like New Orleans, honestly.
yeah. Definitely if you come here, come in the latter months. Definitely not December through February, Australia.
Don't do
Just,
it.
it's just too hot.
Don't do it.
But we still had fun. It was still super enjoyable. So if you have to do it, you definitely could do it. Alright, made it through security. Now we have about 2 hours to kill until our flight to Sydney. Hungry Jack's. It's the Australian Burger King. It's almost midnight. We just got back to the hotel and we immediately took showers because we felt super groggy, super bad because we had all of Cairns gross on us and we just washed it all off in Sydney. But this hotel is awesome. We can give you all a little room tour. Got a little dining table. There's Mia sorting through some stuff for today. We got a nice painting of Sydney. And there's the Opera House, the harbor. And then we got our bedroom. Yeah, this place is a lot bigger than the Hyatt we stayed at. And then my favorite part that I'm probably gonna use maybe tomorrow night, we got a little balcony. And it overlooks, I don't know, some bar, because I've been seeing a lot of people walk around here going into that bar over there. We got a few days left of Australia and then off to New Zealand. So wrap up this trip. We're a little tired, but I think we're gonna do good. We have some good stuff in store still. All right, so until tomorrow.
Yeah, we should run. Not even smiling.
Chicken